Want your money moved automatically? Learn how to set up recurring withdrawals on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So what is recurring withdrawal on Cash App? Recurring withdrawal lets you automatically transfer money from Cash App balance to your linked bank account or card on a schedule you set like daily, weekly, or monthly. It's helpful for budgeting, saving, or managing bills without manually transfer every time. And here's how to set your recurring withdrawals on Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your phone, then tap the bank icon or the My Cash tab at the bottom, then tap Cash Out to start a withdrawal, and next input the amount you want to withdraw. And here are short, you can choose your withdrawal speed. A standard is 1 to 3 business and no fee, but if you want it instant, then it's immediate and you have to pay a small fee. Then the sixth step is set up a recurring withdrawal. The foreign options that's like schedule recurring withdrawal or auto withdrawal, and this may appear as a toggle or as a menu. Then select your frequency such as do you want it daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Then confirm your choice. The seventh step is confirm your withdrawal. Tap confirm or done to activate the recurring withdrawal, and here are some important notes for you. The recurring withdrawal features may not be available in all regions or accounts, so you may have a linked bank account or debit card to a withdrawal, and make sure your Cash App balance covers the withdrawal amount on the scheduled day. And lastly, you can cancel or change the recurring withdrawal anytime in your settings. And here's my final thought. Recurring withdrawals save you time and help manage your finance automatically. So set this one, and Cash App takes care of the rest. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.